Hi, I'm Tonkopi, CEO and founder of InCharge. We produce EV chargers for electric bikes and other small electric vehicles. Why do we do that? Because we've been producing e-bikes for almost a decade. This is our facilities here in Los Angeles. We produce bikes, we assemble them, we repair them, and one interesting fact is that our e-bikes have established the Guinness World Record. So our engineers are one of the best in the world in the e-bikes industry. Do you want to meet them? Here you can see Alex. Alex, he is genius in the mechanic, in assembling and everything what's connected with repairing and assembling bikes. And Andrii, he's genius in electronical engineering part. He developed the brains of our e-bikes and now our chargers. Do you want to see our charger? Sure, here it is. This is okay, it's laying down, but it will be put near a restaurant in a vertical position, of course. So we are finishing the tests, and I want to demonstrate how it works. So I will scan the QR code. For example, an e-bike rider comes to Starbucks and scan QR code. He will want to charge the e-bike. So he will say start charging. I'm ready to charge. One second. Wait. Yeah. Alex is already pulling out the cable. So I pick up the e-bike, a Super 73 electric, line scooter or other. So electric, and I'm saying continue charging. So now we will see done. Let's charge. It will connect in a second. Yeah, here you can see the cable. So this cable is working, and we charge our electric battery. So yeah, it starts charging. Here is how it works, how many watts consumed, how many energy. So we'll control, and you can see my balance. So it's a subscription-based model. So I will charge my bike for $10 or something. So okay, stop charging and let's see what's inside. Could you please, Andrii, help me open this? Yeah. So this is the brain of the charger. We use our proprietary electronics. Everything is developed in-house, including hardware, software, firmware. We develop and produce ourselves. As I already mentioned, our team is one of the best in the world. We have engineers in Los Angeles and also in Ukraine. Yes, we came from Ukraine, and as Ukrainians we are resilient and will fight to win. Thank you very much. Bye.